Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to connect your bank accounts to Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Banking tab. Under this section, select Connect Bank/Credit Card to start linking your accounts. From the list, find and select your bank. If you don't see your bank, use the search bar to locate it. Then enter your bank login details as prompted to securely connect your account. If your bank doesn't support online connectivity or you prefer not to link it directly, you can also add your bank account manually and enter transactions and reconciliation data yourself. Once connected, Zoho Books will automatically sync your bank transactions, making your financial management much easier. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.